Assalamu alaikum. My name is Bushra Ashraf. I am from Multan. Today our topic is role of parents in children growth. Family is a fundamental factor which contributes to child development. For a child, family is the first social and educational environment. Therefore, a right beginning is the one that makes the most important part of children's education. Children have two main educators in their lives. First, their parents, and second, their teachers. Parents are the prime educators. The proper role of the parents is to provide encouragement, support, and access to activities that enable the child to developmental tasks. All parents love their children. They sometimes even sacrifice their lives for their children. Parents are the pillars of support, guidance, and love. Family is where life begins and love never ends. No matter how old a child gets, there is nothing more comforting and soothing than their parents' arms. Children learn many things at home. Parents often become involved in their education through homework. Most parents do not know how to help their children with their education. But with guidance and support, they may become increasingly involved in home learning activities. Parents have direct interactions with the children. They provide a sense of identification to the child. Parents also play a very important role in the socializing process of the child. They also play a very important role in making a child responsible citizen. Parents are the ultimate role models for children. Every word, movement, and action has an effect. No other person or outside force has a greater influence on a child than parents. In last, my humble request to all of you, please respect your parents. If you want to know the value of parent, if you want to know what is love, if you want to know what is motherhood, then you should ask the children whose mother dies. May Allah bless all the parents. Ameen. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Samil Hassan and I am from Faisalabad. Today's topic is the role of parents in growth of children. No doubt, parents are the first person from which a child learns anything. Parents have direct interaction with their children. They give a sense of identification to the children. A student can share anything easily only with their parents. They have much important role in intellectual development and the character building of their children. A child develops from infants to teen to adults. They undergo through a series of the developmental stages that have important role in all aspects of the personhood, including social, physical, intellectual, thinking, and the emotional development. The parents have a much role in development of these characters. The parents' teaching have a long-lasting effect on the person's character. If we take the example of a building can stand only and can be made large lengthwise only if its base is made strong and make shock absorber from the earthquakes. Similarly, a child can become successful in life as a student, as a senior member of family, as a part of business community, and as a responsible citizen only if its base is made strong and he has given a good manners and good education. This primary education is only delivered by the parents. The parents are responsible of the primary education. The deficiencies that are left behind are filled by their teachers. Teachers polish the students' character more and teach them how to live in society in good manners and in responsible ways. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Assalamu alaikum, my brothers. My name is Amitabh. I am from Mardan. First of all, I thank my Allah, who is the most merciful and the most powerful. Today is my topic, the rules of the parents and children growth. My brothers, parents are their children is the first and most important teacher at home. Parents are responsible for expectation for children. Impression of one children is the first and most important hard work and their responsibility for learning. Letting children know the important of their schools and that they take seriously. My brothers, the most important responsibility is that creating a home environment that supports learning, including and providing a quiet place at home for study. My brothers, another responsibility is that uh, making sure their children do their homework and do it well. My brothers, the main responsibility is that the parents the main responsibility is that the parents should read the 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 rules of the Holy Quran and the Constitution of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam to children. So this is my topic today, the rules of parents and children good, and I had discussed in the last wassalam. Thank you.